What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the OtterBox STRADA VIA case for the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open and check it out. So today we're checking out the new STRADA VIA series case. I reviewed the STRADA case not too long ago, and now they brought out this new VIA series. And here's a quick comparison between the original STRADA case and the VIA STRADA case. Alright, so taking a quick overview of this case, first off, it is obviously a folio style case, a little different than the STRADA case, as this one has more of a, I guess a folder-like appearance is the best way I could describe it, but certainly a little bit different than the original STRADA case. Alright, so to install the case on your phone is very simple. It is a Hardshell snap-on style case. I usually just pick one side and it pops in like so. The entire front as well as the back has this rubberized finish. The best way I could describe it is that it's very similar to the Apple non-leather smart cover, so pretty similar in terms of the material. And because it has a rubber-like finish, it does give you a bit of grip when you're holding the case. On the top, you can see we have a cutout for the earphones, so you can answer or listen to your voicemail without having to keep the flap open. And on the back side, we just have a single large cutout for the triple lens camera. Moving towards the inside of the STRADA VIA case, a very unique feature with third-party cases that isn't from Apple is the fact that this case has the ability to unlock your phone, just like the Apple Folio case. Now I did turn off my passcode as well as Face ID, so when you open the flap here, it's going to automatically go to your home screen. But for those of you who have a passcode or need to use Face ID, it would just turn the screen on when you open the lid. With the exception of the Apple leather folio case, this is the first case I reviewed so far that has that feature built in, and even the more expensive STRADA case here does not have that feature. Moving towards the inside of the case, we have the OtterBox logo engraved on the top here. The inside does have a very nice microfiber lined soft material, single large card slot, so you can probably put maybe 1-2 cards at most, or a couple bills. Last but not least is the minimalistic hardshell case that holds your iPhone in place and keeps it within the folio case. You can see here the case has a large cutout for your power button. You can access the SIM card tray as well if you for some reason need to. And of course a single large cutout for your volume rockers, your vibrate and ringer switch, and of course your microphone, speakerphone, and lightning port are also accessible. Overall guys, the STRADA VIA case is certainly a very unique case from OtterBox. It's not something I would expect OtterBox to make, as the case portion here has not a whole lot of protection, particularly because of the super large cutouts for the left and right side. But I do like the folder style look of the VIA case with the folio flap here as well as the back piece. The coolest part of this case certainly has to be the unlock and lock feature, which the STRADA VIA does take advantage of. And again, it's a very seldom feature that I've seen so far with folio cases. That being said, in regards to any cons, I'm not a big fan of the case that OtterBox designed here. It's certainly very un-OtterBox-like with a case like this, just because you have so much of this exposed, as well as the other side here is all exposed. So it's not something that I've seen with OtterBox before, leaving so much of the iPhone exposed with a case. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a folio style case, unless you like the look of this and what you see here, you won't be disappointed just because it's still well made. That being said, I would recommend spending a little bit extra more for the original STRADA case here, as this case is much more protective, has nice premium leather all the way around, which looks a lot nicer. And although you don't have that cool unlock and lock feature, the extra protection that the STRADA case offers I think is a little bit better. So this case is actually the first time I wouldn't recommend an OtterBox case, but unless you like what you see, I would recommend going for something like this if you want something like this. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and that's a quick look at the OtterBox STRADA VIA case. Any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.